So this is in Rastatt in wie heißt this?
Das ist der
Wasser.
Wasserturm.
Wasserturm.
Das ist
Die-
Pagodenburg.
Ah ja, genau, Pagodenburg. This is the flower here. Have our fishes. Beautiful flower. This is the city. So, welcome here. You see this? This is all castle here. A lot of flower. I love tree here. For islinga may for my YouTube is vera kam lang. Wow, this is in Germany. This flower on also this castle. So yeah. Ah, genau. Very beautiful flower. Wow, very beautiful.